As per our exchange's tradition, the inauguration of this ceremony will be done by lighting the auspicious ceremonial lamp. May I please request Shri Dinesh Kumar Khara, Chairman SBI, Shri Ashwini Bhatia, Managing Director SBI, and Mr. Venkat Nageshwar, DMD SBI, to do the honors. May I also please request Chairman India INX, Ashish Kumar Chauhan, and other dignitaries to please join us. Maybe please request Mr. Arun Mehta also to please join us. Ashish sir, may I request you to come on stage, please? We would like to now extend our welcome to SBI MD Shri Dinesh Kumar Khara with a memento. May I please request Chairman, sorry sir, apologies. We would now like to welcome Shri Ashwini Bhatia with a memento. May I please request Mr. Bhatia to come on stage, please? May we please call upon stage Mr. C. Venkat Nageshwar, DMD SBI, to welcome him with a memento. May we please call upon Shri Sanjay Nayak, CGM, International Banking Group, State Bank of India. May we please call upon Shri B.R.S. Satyanarayan, CGM, International Banking Group, State Bank of India. May we call upon Shri Rajay Kumar Sinha, General Manager, International Banking Group, State Bank of India. And last but not the least, Shri Sunil Kumar Singh, DGM, International Banking Group, State Bank of India. I now call upon Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, Chairman, India INX, for his welcome address, please.
Shri Dinesh Kumar Khara, Chairman, State Bank of India, Shri Ashwini Bhatia, Managing Director, State Bank of India, Shri Venkat Nageshwar, Deputy Managing Director, State Bank of India, other senior colleagues from State Bank of India, investment bankers, HSBC, JP Morgan, Standard Chartered Bank, Bank of America, Citibank, MUFG, SBI Caps, all other respected guests, good morning. It gives me great pleasure to welcome all to International Convention Hall of BSE. It also gives us great pleasure to host the Managing Director and senior officials from the State Bank of India, in addition to the Honorable Chairman at the BSE International Convention Hall. BSE's relationship with SBI goes way back since 1875, when BSE was established, and both institutions have been the pillar of the Indian financial services space since then. SBI was not called SBI those days. SBI is also among the largest shareholders in BSE and have been listed on the exchange since April 1959. We are glad to continue our relations to the new decade via listing of foreign currency bonds of $600 million under its $10 billion Global Medium-Term Note Program on India INX Global Securities Market. GIFT IFSC, a leading primary market platform. The bond was issued through SBI's London branch and was priced at a record low coupon of 1.8% per annum. It is overwhelming to see the investors' interest in the marquee Indian issue since the order book was oversubscribed 2.1 times. This demonstrates strong investor confidence in the country's largest bank and paves way for a strong pipeline of foreign currency bond issuances in the year 2021. Since the debt listing framework has been made available by India INX at IFSC, SBI has been one of the largest issuers of foreign currency bonds on India INX with a total of $2.6 billion. With this listing, this shows SBI's commitment to leverage GIFT City as an international finance services center in line with the vision of the Government of India. We are pleased to share amidst these critical times that India INX has successfully listed all issues by Indian issuers since March 2020, including State Bank of India's own $100 million green bonds in April 2020, REC's $500 million bonds in May 2020, Adani Ports SEZ $750 million foreign currency bonds in August 2020, Adani Container Terminals $300 million bonds in December 2020, Exim Bank $1 billion bonds, and today's $600 million SBI bonds, making it a special day for celebration for us. We are pleased to share that the supranational foreign issuer Asian Development Bank has also listed its Indian rupee 3 billion masala bond on INX this week. Ever since the exchange was inaugurated by Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji in January 2017, 4 years back, India INX has taken initiatives to be a pioneer in India IFS's mission by being the first to market on several products across asset classes. It is in this perspective that in November 2020, India INX announced its Memorandum of Understanding with Luxembourg Stock Exchange for development and promotion of ESG and green finance in the local market. With this MOU, we believe we can provide the issuers and investors with an opportunity to list and trade green bonds on our platform GSM Green, with opportunity to dual list with Luxembourg Stock Exchange. Over and above debt listing, India INX has issued recently its DR framework, and REITs frameworks have also been approved on January 12, 2021 by the authority called IFSCA. This will not only enable global DRs and REITs to be listed on India INX, but also benefit global investors to look at long-term investment products on Indian equity shares and boost fundraising plans of India's corporate sector. India INX has been the leading listing platform for listing of overseas instruments at GIFT IFSC. GSM, the primary market platform of India INX, has evoked significant interest since its establishment in 2018. MTNs established on India INX platform since launch in January 2018 aggregate to $48.5 billion, and listing of bonds aggregate to $24.5 billion with this listing. India INX is also the first exchange to introduce green securities platform for issuance of green bonds, with green bond issuance amounting to $1.75 billion. In the derivative space also, India INX has maintained its leadership as the number one exchange in IFSC GIFT City and accounts for a market share of more than 95% in January 2021, with an average daily turnover of close to $16 billion. India INX also posted a record all-time high turnover of $24 billion on January 14 this year. We once again thank SBI, Chairman SBI, all the senior dignitaries, the intermediaries, and legal counsels who have reposed immense trust in INX, and we look forward to your continued support and trust. We also look forward to a long and fruitful relationship with SBI in the years to come. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. May I now invite Shri Dinesh Kumar Khara, Chairman, State Bank of India, to address the gathering, please.
Very good morning to all of you. Mr. Ashish Chauhan, Chairman BSE, and INX also. Our dear friends from the community of the Joint Lead Managers, represented by HSBC, Citibank, JP Morgan, Standard Chartered, Bank of America, MUFG, SBI Caps, and legal counsels. I think it's a proud moment for us, particularly at this juncture during the COVID scenario, when we decided to demonstrate what could be the issuer's strength. That is something which we have demonstrated. And in a way, we have also demonstrated the strength of the Indian economy. And I think the kind of response which we got in this issuance from across the geographies is nothing but a reflection of the confidence shown by the international community in this issuance. I think when it comes to the pricing, perhaps this is the best pricing which we could ever get post-2008 crisis. And of course, at 1.80% coupon, in a way, this was something which was never expected. I remember many of the merchant bankers reaching out to me some time back, and they were all indicating that we can expect to raise the bond at perhaps the best price of around 2.25 and around that. But nothing, I think they even never expected that we can perhaps do the issuance at this kind of a pricing. So I'm very proud in a way on this issuance, because it has become a benchmark issuance in many respects. And also it is not only for State Bank of India, but for the country as a whole. And of course, we are very happy to leverage the strength of the GIFT City, INX, which has been set up there. And since we have got a very large international book also, as high as about 60 billion plus. So this is one of the program which we normally carry out on an ongoing basis, not annual basis, but on an ongoing basis. We have an MTN program, and within that we have raised this 600 million issue. And I think as we grow further, maybe we'll also depend upon such issues on an ongoing basis too. So this bond, of course, will be listed on the International Exchange, IFSC, and also on the Securities Trading Exchange of Singapore. Once again, I take this opportunity to put on record our deep appreciation for the merchant bankers who really helped us out in securing this kind of a best price ever. And increasingly, we will see that how best we can leverage our strength and showcase India's strength. And maybe further issuance, we will try to even have a better pricing too. So with these words, once again, my sincere thanks to Mr. Ashish Chauhan for hosting us today, and also to all the merchant bankers and the legal counsels for making this really happen. Thank you very much.
Thank you for your kind words, sir. I now call upon Mr. Ashwani Bhatia, Managing Director, State Bank of India, to please address the gathering.
Mr. Ashish Chauhan, CEO, BSE, and all officers of BSE, all the lead managers to the issue, Chairman, State Bank, and all my colleagues from State Bank of India, thank you very much. The relationship, as Mr. Chauhan just mentioned, of SBI and BSE go a long way. I think our share was listed here in 1994. And the last that we came here was in March of 2020 when we listed SBI Cards. That was a huge success. So thank you for all the support that we have got from BSE over the years. As Mr. Chauhan said, 2 bonds of SBI have already been listed on India INX. The 600 million bond issued in 2018, which was a green bond, and another private placement of $100 million that was listed in 2020. The one that we have just raised, the $600 million, is kind of a benchmark. The issuances that we have seen over the last year have not been many, but 2021 has had a very good start with issuances from Exim Bank, from us, from PFC, and now I believe Adani is also coming. The issue was very well priced at a coupon of 1.8%, and there was strong demand. The purpose of the bond was to use the money generated for general corporate purposes and to meet the funding gap at SBI's foreign offices. There have been no issues, of course, from us over the last 2 years, and the fact that we got the best pricing after 2008 speaks volumes about the confidence that the market has in our brand. I'd like to thank Bank of America, Citibank, HSBC, JP Morgan, Standard Chartered, MUFJ, and SBI Capital Markets for making this a huge success. And we look forward to more issuances in the years to come. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. May I now please call upon Mr. Arun Kumar Ganesan, Head Listing and Business Operations, India INX, for a vote of thanks.
Honorable Chairman, State Bank of India, Shri Dinesh Kumar Khara. Respected Managing Director, State Bank of India, Shri Ashwani Bhatia. Respected Deputy Managing Director, State Bank of India, International Banking Group, Shri Venkat N. Chalasani. India INX Chairman, Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan. And our most valued guests, ladies and gentlemen. It is my privilege to have been asked to propose the vote of thanks on this occasion. I, on behalf of India INX and BSE, extend a very hearty vote of thanks to all the distinguished guests for gracing the occasion and keeping the trust in our exchange. We ensure continued support to you in every manner, sir. We also thank the intermediaries and legal counsel for the support and assistance to issuer and exchange. We also thank the members of the press present here. Sir, an event like this cannot happen overnight. It requires planning and a bird's eye for detail. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very motivated and dedicated colleagues of India INX and BSE. So my sincere thanks to them. Ladies and gentlemen, we thank you all for being with us this morning. It's been a great pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. On behalf of SBI, may I now call upon Mr. C. Venkat Nageshwar, DMD, State Bank of India, for his vote of thanks.
Good morning to all of you. Mr. Ashish Chauhan, Chairman INX and BSE, respected Chairman Mr. Dinesh Kumar Khara, Mr. Ashwini Bhatia, JLMs, my lead managers, and my colleagues from SBI and officials from BSE. It's indeed a memorable occasion for us, for all of us, because for a simple reason, as mentioned by all of these chairmen and everyone, that Indian economy or India has demonstrated by raising resources across the globe very cheaply. It talks about the confidence which the investors have reposed, not on just on State Bank of India, but on the Indian economy as a whole. As the chairman mentioned, we had many iterations. There were many times that people had come to us and told that this is the best price, you need to hit the markets now. But then we waited. Of course, it's not necessary that this is the lowest. I'm sure that we are going to have many more occasions where we're going to raise the funds much lower than this. But yes, this is the lowest till now, which we have raised, not just by State Bank of India, but any other company in India with a coupon less than 2% for 5.5 years. So I really take pride for SBI for having done this, raised this money at so cheap at 1.8%. We thank all the investors, particularly some of the marquee investors who have invested in SBI, raising confidence. And I believe it's New Development Bank is for the first time, they have put their monies in SBI. And there are many other investors who have done, but these are the people who said that, yes, India and Indian economy and State Bank of India are the ones which we have confidence in. I would like to thank all the JLMs, particularly Mr. Hitendra Dave and Siddharth from HSBC, Mr. P.D. Singh and Mr. Anjan Agrawal from JP Morgan, Mr. Prashant Shah and Prathamesh from Standard Chartered Bank, Mr. Debashish and Mr. Nisit from Bank of America, Mr. Neeraj and Akshay from Citibank, Mr. Shashank and Gaurav from MUFG, and my own Arun Mehta and Rakesh Joshi from SBI Caps for giving us a solid support in ensuring that we raise the funds at such a cheap price. They stood by us, they told us this is the right timing. And I thank all of you from the bottom of the heart for giving us an opportunity to raise at such a low price. Thanks for coming today and making this occasion a grand success. Most importantly, Mr. Chauhan, yeah, I do remember we are the shareholders of Bombay Stock Exchange. We take pride that we are part of this Bombay Stock Exchange, not just BSE, but we're going to be the shareholders in INX as well. And we would like to partner and grow together. And I'm sure there'll be many more occasions for us like this in future. And there'll be many other feathers in our cap. I wish all of you all the very best and all success to all JLMs. So may this crop keep growing and India prosper in this current financial year and in the years to come. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for those vibrant and positive words. Now, on behalf of India INX and SBI, we would like to thank the pillars of this transaction, as all the dignitaries have mentioned, the lead merchant bankers. May we please call upon stage Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan and Shri Dinesh Kumar Khara to do the honors. I now call upon Mr. Debashish Purohit, MD, State Bank of America. May we please call upon Mr. Neeraj Kumar, MD, Citibank. May we please call upon Mr. Hitendra Dave, MD, HSBC. May we please call upon Mr. P.D. Singh, MD, JP Morgan. May we please call upon Mr. Shashank Joshi, MD, MUFG. Can we please have on stage Mr. Prashant Shah, MD, Standard Chartered Bank? Mr. Arun Mehta, Deputy Managing Director, SBI Caps. Yeah. I think they want to felicitate Ashish sir. Shri Dinesh Kumar Khara would like to felicitate Mr. Ashish Kumar Chauhan. May we also have on stage Mr. Arun Kumar Ganesan, SBI would like to present a memento. And now is the momentous time that we have all gathered here for and we are eagerly awaiting for, the ringing of the gong to mark the listing of SBI's recent USD 600 million bond under their USD 10 billion GMTN program. I request Chairman State Bank of India and all other dignitaries from SBI to please proceed on the dais for the ringing of the gong. May we please have a countdown here? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Two, one. Our heartiest congratulations to the management, investors, and stakeholders of State Bank of India. On this note, we conclude the function. We thank you for being a wonderful audience and request you all to please join us for breakfast.